thank DGLT for their presentation and in favour say aye. Aye. Thank you very much, Mr. Stoddard. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, moving now to agenda item number 2. Taupo District Council ordinary meeting, which we held on the 28th of August, pages 2 bar 1 through to 2 bar 8. Before I call for a mover or a seconder, are there any amendments on any of those pages, please? By way of spelling or facts? Being none, I would ask for a mover, please, for those minutes. Moved, Councillor Dannard, seconded, Councillor Johnson. I will now put the motion. All those in favour?
Aye.
And matters arising, please. Councillor Kirk.
Yes, I was just wondering if you were updates on 5017 and 5018 of the speaker business on the reserve, being 118, and also Mr. Whippy in Gelanteria. I think we were going back.
Mr. Whippy's been given a licence which expires, if I'm not correct, I think I'm correct, on the 31st of November. We're October, is it? November. October, is it? One of those months expires when the gelato lady will take the site back over because she didn't, the period that she didn't want it for, and I've had a thank you there from her, Mr. Whippy's allowed to use it. The period she does want to use it for, it's reversed to her. What was that question?
That's right, that's more what I was alluding to, was that the miscommunication with the current leads, I don't think.
My apology, I don't know if I circulated or not, but we did receive a letter. I did circulate, didn't I? Yeah, I did circulate the letter she wrote and thanked everybody, and it's had a good result. And you can buy an ice cream from Mr. Whippy in the meantime, or some of you can have it gelato. Any other amendments, or not amendments, sorry, matters arising from the minutes of the August meeting? Sorry, Councillor Williams?
Yes, with regards to the presentation from Marty Card, just checking the accuracy of the top 2 bar 2, that the resource consent did not come operative until 12th April 2006. I thought that was 2004.
Sorry, let's take you through it again. You're on page 2 bar 2?
2 bar 2. I just think that there's an error there.
Although the resource consents were issued in 2003, they did not become operative.
That is right. It didn't come. It was issued then, but it didn't come operative until 2006.
So these are correct, right?
Okay.
Alright, anything further arising? There being none, nothing. All those in favour? Aye. Item number